Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to create tables in Microsoft Word Online. We'll see how tables help organize information into rows and columns, making it easier to read and compare data.
Before we create a table, let's understand why tables are useful. When information is arranged as plain text, it can be difficult to compare values or keep related data together. A table organizes information into rows and columns, making your document cleaner and easier to understand. I'll place the cursor below the summary section, where I want to insert the table. Now go to the Insert tab. Click Table. A grid appears, allowing you to choose the table size. Move your pointer over the grid and select 4 columns and 5 rows. The table is inserted into the document. Let's enter some sample data. In the first row, type the column headings: Feature, Purpose, Available, and Category. Now fill in the remaining rows. In the first row, type Spell Check, check spelling errors, Yes, and Review. In the next row, enter Tables, organize information, Yes, and Insert. For the third row, type Styles, apply consistent formatting, Yes, and Home.
Finally, enter Comments, Review Documents, Yes, and Review. Now the information is neatly organized inside the table. You can move between cells by pressing the Tab key, making it faster to enter data without using the mouse. If you need another row, place the cursor in the last cell of the table and press Tab once more. Word automatically adds a new row at the bottom. If you accidentally enter incorrect data, simply click inside the cell and edit the text just like normal. Tables are useful for presenting schedules, reports, product lists, comparison charts, and many other types of information. Instead of using spaces or multiple lines to align content, a table keeps everything properly organized.
If you want to learn the complete Microsoft Word course, the full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.